Okay, hi, Lee Summit Tigers. My name is Jamie Volker, and I am the lead teacher for the physical education and health department here at Lee Summit High School. Just want to talk quickly about our swim class that is offered at the Aquatic Center. And you will see right now, after you take Foundations of Fitness, you have to take one more additional class in the P department. Here's Swimming for Life right here. I have taught Swimming for Life for a while, along with Coach Pettit, who also teaches here. On occasion, we do have a teacher from Lee Summit West that comes over depending on enrollment. But this class is very unique in that it is off campus at the Aquatic Center. Okay, see right here, the Aquatic Center. And it starts at 7 o'clock. So you must have transportation over to the Aquatic Center, and you are tardy if you are not there at 7 o'clock. If you are not a morning person, this probably is not the class for you. So being on time is really important, and you will notice that on Wednesdays, because that's a special day, we will actually either meet here or have an at-home assignment. Okay, and that's very also important to understand. Also important to understand is that you must have taken Foundations of Fitness before you take this class. It is not a requirement that you know how to swim. We will teach you how to swim. It's a very rewarding class in that sometimes we teach kids how to swim. It's also for intermediate swimmers who want to work on their stroke development and or their endurance. It's a great exercise, especially for kids who don't want a lot of weight-bearing exercise or do not enjoy traditional PE games such as volleyball, football, basketball, rough ball, things of that nature. So this class could be for you. But again, you must have your own transportation to the Aquatic Center. We will bring you back on a bus in time for second hour. Ladies, one piece, and gentlemen, please don't wear your Speedos, wear your jammers or your board shorts or whatever. If you have any questions about this class, again, my name is Jamie Volker, and I'd be glad to answer those. You can email